Venom, oh Venom, please don't kill me. Oh shit, this is the last time I see me.
Vinegar. And then water. And then water.
Water is very important.
Obliviated. No, right now, bro. And then
That's how you cut onions. Urban spices, guys.
we got cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper, and then what is this?
We got paprika.
Paprika. Yes, organic paprika. The garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Can't forget the garlic powder. Never, never, never.
Of course, sugar.
Yeah. Alright. Now we gotta
pour our liquids over the onions.
Yeah. You gotta be careful in this step because this bitch hot.
Chicken cutlets. First, we're gonna go into our flour.
To the egg.
Into the egg.
Double coat it. You have to double coat it.
Double coat. Back into,
the egg.
And then we're going into the breadcrumb.
Yes, Inten.
Gotta make sure we cover everything.
Boom. Alright guys, we're updating you with the chicken. Pepper jack cheese on the bread. Into the toaster oven. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Special recipe for spicy chicken
Sriracha.
sandwich.
Can't forget the sriracha.
Paprika in there.
Cayenne pepperington. Make the chicken nuggets with the leftover chicken.
Now it is time to assemble our sandwiches. There we go. I'm doing spicy.
Very good.
We'll get the tomato on there.
Okay.
And let's get our lettuce on there.
Lettucington.
We'll get some of this pickled red onion on there.
Yep, that's what we were making before.
Damn, this shit's gonna be delicious.
Just a little spicy, but Woo! Look at that, bro. Alright, welcome to
Fried food reviews.
Today we're trying
Homemade chicken sandwich.
Alright.
Alright. Well, first, we gotta go for the nuggets.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we
The
can't forget
homemade
nuggets.
nuggets.
We may have accidentally
We ate most of them.
we had a
But
bit.
there's still three.
Yeah, three left now. Alright. Barbecue sauce from McDonald's, you know what I'm saying?
God damn, bro.
It's just good, bro. You know, the last week, but
We've already had the nuggets.
you know, we already had like a month of the nuggets. Well, last week. Alright, we're gonna put it down.
Let's move on to the sandwich.
We gotta move on. Alright. Very good. Trisington.
Cheers.
Trisington.
The pickled red onion,
Yeah,
so good.
really kick in.
But I want a little bit of sauce. Doing some tangy barbecue.
Oh shit, this shit slaps.
You want some tangy barbecue?
Yeah, why not? Look. Gotta put that, I do it this way, bro. Slap a Saucington. Shall we?
Cheers, my friend. God damn.
I just got one word for you, bro. One word. Obliviated. That's right, Yodis. We locked in. We fucking locked in, bro.
I give this 9.5 out of 10.
I gotta give this shit like a 10 out of 10, man.
10 out of 10?
This is a beaut right here. You know what I'm saying? This is a beaut. The pickle red onion.
Mm. The chicken, so crunchy. So crunchy.
You may have accidentally purchased too much chicken breast.
Too much chicken. Yeah.
But man, listen, this shit slaps. He got sauce over my fucking mouth, and I don't even give a shit.
Do they eat the entire thing in food reviews?
Yeah,
They just
bro.
sit here the whole time.
McBang, bro. Food review says McBang.
Yeah, cooking show. Food review. And mukbang.
That's right. Tune in. Tune in.
The big old red onion though. Oh my god.
I know, right? This is a new series, guys. Fried food review.
Fried food review.
We make the food. We eat the food. While we're obliviated in the hole. Need I say more?
And don't forget the bev.
Oh shit, I forgot about it.
Fuck. I'm sorry, Aki.
I apologize, Aki. Can't forget the Bev. Never,
Cheers, my
never,
friend.
never, never. Cheers. Cheersing them, bro. Holy shit. This is good, bro. Especially with the onions, man. Especially the onions.
Facts.
I would say give this a try, but we didn't even buy all the ingredients, and it cost like $47 and 60 something cents. You know what I'm saying?
Expensive sandwich.
Yeah. So maybe you should just get it at Chick-fil-A. You know what I'm saying?
They don't got pickled onions at Chick-fil-A, do they?
No, we don't.
They got them. They gotta get those pickled onions.
They really do, bro. This shit's fire.
A chicken sandwich was good all the way through. I got some good spicy. It was a spicy chicken sandwich. Not too spicy. I do wish I put a little bit more of the sriracha in
Yeah. Not, it wasn't that spicy. It smelled spicy.
there. It did smell really spicy.
Gone. McBang, not over yet, just now. We got chicken nuggets.
But hey, you can just heat those up tomorrow. You know, you can just like put it on a piece of bread and put it in the toaster, and then you got chicken sandwich tomorrow.
You want to take some home? You want some chicken sandwich tomorrow?
I believe
You're
it.
moving to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey. Geisington, this one is just a chicken finger.
The big one.
The Aki one.
You're gonna choke. You okay? What?
Oblivion, bro. Holy shit. Shit is banging though. I don't know.
That's good chicken.
Is that a spicy one?
Mm-hmm.
Give me a little piece. Let me try the spicy. Is that good? How do you like it? It's okay, bro.
Not very spicy. I wish it was spicier.
Try the Crustington. Cheesy crust. Cheesy crust. Oh. That's good, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, we can make Japanese food, bro. We can make chicken katsu, bro. That's how they make that shit.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't that spicy, but the sriracha taste does come out.
Yeah, it does.
This was a success, but at the expense of your pocket, because hey, I don't think, even though how good it is, it's not worth it. for like $47, and we didn't even buy all the ingredients. You know what I'm saying?
On special occasion.
Yeah, celebratory. If you're hanging out with your friends, buy some chicken breast. That's good.
Yeah.
It's cheaper if you have more people, but we have that. Only 2 people. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty fire. Oh my god, this shit is so good, bro. Your shit definitely tastes so good. Sandwich. Oh my god.
I think the spicy one got the crunchiest.
Yeah, I don't even know how, bro. I think it's the egg mixed with the spiciness.
Yeah, maybe something with that.
It's got a little kick to it though. Yeah.
A little bit.
Sorry for review. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely obliviated. Need I say more?
Final verdict. 10 out of 10. Doesn't get better than that.
Never. Holy shit.
My name is King John. I give you rape. I starve my people until they're dead. I tell your family they are upset. I will eat your asshole until